Just out for a hike today, enjoying a little stroll with my doggie, of course. We've been 2 days running errands, so today I figured we'd get out and stretch our legs a little. Still some snow on the ground, although most of it's melting. Baby, come! Good girl. Yeah, what a pretty girl. Thanks for being here with us, guys. While we're out here walking, guys, I wanted to go ahead and show you the gun range. I just am going to walk down the gun range here and show you some of my targets. I got the sun in my eyes, but I'm going to do my best. Okay, all of my AR500 steel plates are hung either by chain or spring loaded. They are also all set at an angle for optimal bullet deflection. These smaller 6-inch, half-inch thick AR500 targets are mounted on a lag bolt and spring-loaded, again at an angle. The idea being that the bullet does not encounter a solid target. Same idea as we move down range. I did want to show you how I've got these designed to hook in place. Each target can be easily interchanged. Last but not least, I wanted to talk about this far target. That is what happens when you use a high-powered rifle, such as a 300 Win Mag or a 25-06. These 3-inch AR500 targets just can't handle that velocity. Also, let's take a look at my only soft steel target. And it's apparent why we don't shoot this one very often. Those craters create the opportunity for a ricochet. And finally, guys, at the 150-yard mark, I have the farm disc gong. Again, the target is spring-loaded. And I like the farm discs because they're automatically angled for good deflection.